Lockdown level 2 is on, and our DJs are back at work playing other people's songs. See you. Apparently, only 31% of South Africans drink, but alcohol consumption is having a massive impact on our healthcare system. Really? I mean, I don't know where they get these statistics. I didn't even know we have a healthcare system. Maybe I'm too quick to react. Honestly, I stopped reading the article after the opening line. I mean, really, 31%? Only 31% of South Africans drink? 31? So the rest of the country, what's your problem? What's wrong? The Masion, the broke. This doesn't make sense. So you want to tell me we went all the way to level 3 just to accommodate 31% of our population? 31% of our population is like 4 slices out of a loaf. We cannot as a country make decisions based on 4 slices. This doesn't make sense. So you want to tell me our economy was suffering because 31% of our population couldn't drink? Really? This doesn't make sense. These people, when they get drunk and and they bump into walls, it's because they're drinking on our behalf. These are our treasures. Our economy is suffering because, it's not suffering because Christians can't go to church. No, our economy is in fact suffering because Jesus can't get drunk. Look at God. Our economy was suffering because 31% of our population can't get drunk. We need to support this 31%. We need to do anything. Forget us. Forget me, the sober ones, the whole gang. The rest of the loaf, there's 69%. This 39% that gets drunk is like those drunk fathers who embarrass their families, but they're the breadwinners. They save the family. This means alcohol is important. In fact, we should all be drinking alcohol to save the economy. I don't know how that works, but the government should do something. Give free alcohol or something. No? Yes? Good idea? Maybe not. I don't know. But the government should at least provide drunk people with free transportation back home, just so they are safe and they can drink more. These people are our treasures. VIP, smokers, I see you. Le number 69%, they cannot toil, tech. It's fine. Because the person that only benefits from you being sober, because I pay tax. Tax. This means all the Zimbabweans, all Zimbabwe has to do as a country to save its economy is get drunk. Just get drunk until you can't see Munaganga and ZANU-PF. This is exactly what South Africans must do in order to save this country from the ANC, if it needs saving. Yeah, they might just get drunk before they go to vote, until they can see the ballot paper, the ballot box properly, Because if there's one thing that we've learned as South Africans is that South Africans can't vote with a sober mind. Come election, we all get drunk. It's official. Agree we know that drunk people are the only honest people. Sober-minded people are the reason why the country is where it is. They are the reason the ANC is in power. The government is taking us for granted. They say this because, we can't blame the minority. We have to blame the majority with the 69% Baba sober. Yeah, I don't care. I don't know what's the problem with the healthcare system. But it can't cater for 31%, a fraction of the 31%. We're not implying sugar. I don't care. There's a thin line between alcohol and ANC. It's called South Africans. One day Rasta is going to draw a portrait of the ANC and corruption, and it's going to look good. Ringwe.